So today we're gonna learn the bow hold, a very important part of violin, extremely important as it teaches us how to hold the bow so that we can pull out sound. So first of all, I'm gonna start by step one, which is showing you the bunny bow hold. So first of all, let's identify our bow hand and our violin hand. So my right hand is my bow hand. My left hand is my violin hand. So let's get that straight. So put your right hand forward. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put our hand in a nice relaxed position with our palm facing us, like this. Next, we are going to take our thumb and place it in between our two middle fingers here. So our third and fourth fingers here. And we are gonna make that thumb nice and curved as it stays there, nice and bent. So we wanna bend that knuckle. So hold it here and then let those two fingers relax. And then we're gonna find our nice curved pinky and index finger like this. We're gonna find this shape and we're gonna go munch, munch, munch like a bunny would do. So we're gonna find that munch, munch, munch bunny. Okay, let's try that one more time. So take our bow hand, which is our right hand, put your hand up and palm facing you. Take your thumb, place it in between those two middle fingers. So the two middle fingers out of the four here that exclude your thumb. Now bend those middle fingers. And now bend upwards your index and pinky. Face the other way. And we have a nice bunny bow hold shape. So that's part one. Part two, I have an imaginary bow right here. And we're gonna start by putting our thumb, instead of right on here, we're gonna just put it underneath, nice and bent, just like we had it against the two middle fingers. So our thumb right here. And then we're gonna take the two middle fingers and I'm gonna call these the lazy twins. So we have bent thumb, lazy twins. Do you know why they're lazy? It's because they're just hanging over the side like that. They're not up and bent like that on top. They're just hanging out. And then next we're gonna put our pinky down. Now this is our curved pinky. Bent thumb, lazy twins, curved pinky. Last but not least, we have the index finger to put on the permanent marker or our imaginary bow. That is the index finger. And we call that Captain Hook because it slightly hooks on to the bow this way. We also always wanna have a space in our hand with the bow hold so that we can see right through our hand like that, like the letter C. We want to be able to see through our bow. Okay, now let's transfer that knowledge and apply it to our actual bow. So I'm going to put the permanent marker aside and I'm going to take my actual bow. I'm going to hold the bow up here with my violin hand. So first I'm going to take my thumb, put it right on the silver thing here that you see on the frog. The frog is the bottom of the bow, and this is the tip. So we hold our bow on the frog. So a bent thumb on the silver, a curved pinky on top, and we want those lazy twins to go on right over the bent thumb so that the bent thumb is in the middle. And then Captain Hook right there. And now we have our bow hold. See if you can get that bow hold and do some windshield wiper exercises to go back and forth while controlling your bow hold so that you're maintaining a consistent hold. Another quick exercise you can do with the bow to learn how to hold the bow well is called up like a rocket. So you might know this rhyme, you might not, but nevertheless, it's a great way to get used to how we hold a bow. So we get that good bow hold. So again, bent thumb, curved pinky, lazy twins, tap those lazy twins, and Captain Hook. And we hold the bow vertically, so up and down. And it goes like this: up like a rocket, down like the rain. back and forth like a choo-choo train. Up and around like the big sun. Land on your nose. Curved pinky and bent thumb. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining today, and have fun practicing that bow hold.